So this is all about Me Monster. You need to drag the items that best fit you to the blank spaces to create your monster. Choose only one option from each colored box, or choose none if the available options don't fit you. So as you can see, we have this purple box, a blue box, we have one red box, one thing in the red box, sorry, we have the yellow, we have another tone of purple, we have a green, and then we have an orange. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with the eyeballs. So do I have blue eyes, I have brown eyes, or my eyes are neither blue nor brown? So I definitely have brown eyes, so I'm going to pull my eyeballs over. And then I have a dog. Oops, I better start with my hair. Let's go on up here. I have dark hair, I have light hair, I have red hair. I definitely have dark hair. I am an only child, or I have siblings. So siblings are brothers and sisters, and I have lots of siblings. I like pouting best, I like smiling best, I like laughing best, or I like scowling best. Scowling is like making an angry face. I'm going to say I like laughing best. And I don't wear glasses. I do have some that I use for the computer, but I don't need them to see. I used to, but long story. So I have a dog, which you guys know I do. Go ahead, I think I'm gonna put these here. Oops. Okay. I have a bird. I don't have pets. I like bugs. I have a pet hamster or mouse. And this one. Okay, so since we saw ones at the top, I actually tried to blow this up for us a little bit so that we could see it better. So this one is I like the zoo, and I definitely do. We haven't had a zoo pass recently because of everything, but usually we have one every single year. Got these crazy legs coming up. So if you see, you can click this dot at the top, and that cross or X or plus sign appears, and then you can tilt your feet any way you want them. I have lots of hair, I have lots of freckles. I'm not too freckly or hairy. So for me, I have a lots of hair because it's long, I'd like to say. I'm going to put this up here. Kind of like for my hair, maybe. Yeah, there we go. So this is Mrs. Horning's monster. I have lots of legs. I have these, looks like bat wings for ears. I have brown eyes. I love to laugh. I like the zoo. I have a dog, and you know I have more pets than that, but that's what we've got. So I hope you guys enjoy your monster, and I look forward to seeing what yours looks like.